This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Excellent value FOR 3 bedrooms / 2.5 bath / 1 CAR townhouse with tranquil lake and preserve view. Many upgrades and newer items. High efficiency 16 SEER AC system installed 2016. Roof replaced and exterior repainted by HOA in 2018. The kitchen features newer stainless steel appliances, granite counters and 42-inch wood cabinets. Nicely painted and offered furnished. Highly desirable floor plan. All diagonal tile on ground floor with crown molding as well. Carpet on second floor where bedrooms are located. Large master bedroom has a walk-in closet and a second standard closet. The master bath has dual sinks and a walk-in shower. Located in veranda which offers terrific recreational amenities that include golf, separate membership, tennis, fitness, swimming pools, clubhouse with dining, casual restaurant with outdoor eating, kayaking and miles of walking trails. Move-in ready for you. For more information, review the details below.